凌晨12點，香港電台最新一節嘅風暴消息。8號東北烈風或暴風信號喺晚上11點50分發出，取代9號烈風或暴風風力增強信號。預料本港平均風速每小時63公里或以上。香港仍然有一段時間吹烈風，請繼續留喺室內，直至風力減弱為止，切勿鬆懈防風措施。預料當小犬接近香港嘅時候，風力顯著增強。喺午夜12點，颱風小犬集結喺香港天文台之西南偏南大約70公里，即係北緯21.7度、東經113.9度附近。預料向西或西北偏西緩慢移動，靠近珠江口西部一帶。過去1-2個鐘頭，小犬穩定向西移動。預料同小犬相關嘅颶風區會逐漸遠離香港以南海域。天氣雷達顯示，小犬嘅雨帶延伸至其中心以東大約200公里，預料會喺今晚至到聽朝早持續影響珠江口一帶，並且為該區帶嚟狂風，風力可能間中達烈風程度。8號烈風或暴風信號會至少維持至到聽朝早11點。預料聽日香港仍然有狂風大驟雨，市民請留意天文台最新嘅天氣消息。喺過去1個鐘頭，大老山、沙洲同長洲泳灘分別錄得最高持續風速為每小時75、63同62公里，最高陣風分別超過每小時104、77同74公里。防風措施報告：市民現時切勿外出，如果已經喺有遮蔽嘅地方躲避，就應該繼續留喺原處，切勿接觸被風吹倒嘅電線。因為海面有巨浪同湧浪，市民應該遠離岸邊同低窪地區，並且停止所有水上活動。有關最新嘅天氣消息，請留意香港電台喺15分、30分、45分同踏正嘅風暴消息。
12 o'clock midnight, Hong Kong Observatory's latest typhoon update. The number 8 northeast gale or storm signal has been issued at 11:50 p.m. to replace the increasing gale or storm signal, number 9. This means that winds with mean speeds of 63 kilometers per hour or more are expected. Gales are expected to persist for some time. Please continue to stay indoors until winds moderate. Precautions should not yet be relaxed. This means that winds are expected to increase significantly as Koinu moves closer to Hong Kong. At midnight, Typhoon Koinu was centered about 70 kilometers south-southwest of Hong Kong Observatory, which is near 21.7 degrees north, 113.9 degrees east, and is forecast to move west or west-northwest slowly, edging closer to the western part of the Pearl River estuary. In the past couple of hours, Koinu tracked westward steadily. The associated hurricane-force winds are gradually departing from the seas south of Hong Kong. The radar indicates that the rain bands of Koinu extend 200 kilometers to the east of the center. The rain band will persistently affect the vicinity of the Pearl River estuary tonight to tomorrow morning and bring squalls to the region. Winds may occasionally be up to gale force. The gale or storm signal, number 8, will remain in force to at least 11 tomorrow morning. Heavy squally showers will still be expected over Hong Kong tomorrow. Members of the public, please take note of the latest weather bulletins from the Hong Kong Observatory. In the past hour, the maximum sustained winds recorded at Ace Cairn, Sha Shou, and Chung Shou Beach were 75, 63, and 62 kilometers per hour, with maximum gusts exceeding 104, 77, and 74 kilometers per hour respectively. For the precaution announcements: do not go outside. If you are reasonably protected, stay where you are. Do not touch electric cables that have been blown loose, since seas are high and there are swells. You are advised to stay away from the shoreline and low-lying areas and not to engage in water sports. Please listen to the Radio Television Hong Kong on the radio in every hours of 15, 30, 45, and o'clock for the latest weather information broadcast. And that's all for the typhoon update.
呢一節嘅風暴消息報導完畢。